Hello friends, and welcome to day 7 of the Let's Get Blitzin' cocktail advent calendar. I have been looking forward to this one. We are making the gingerbread sour with the all-star ingredient, grade A Canadian eggs. If you're wondering why this is in a little bowl of water, aside from making sure my egg is well taken care for, is relaxed in this little warm water bath, it's actually because a room temperature egg is gonna froth up a lot nicer when we do our combination dry shake, wet shake. And today's episode is sponsored by the Egg Farmers of Canada. In addition to the all-important egg, we are going to be using aged amber rum. So I'm using Florida Kenya 5-year. If you're choosing not to imbibe, allow me to point you in the direction of Lyre's Dark Cane style non-alcoholic spirit. They have Lyre's at Pot and Pantry. Locally, you can order online as well from lyres.ca. And I'll be creating a cocktail with another one of their products coming up on the weekend as well. You'll also need lemons and your all-important gingerbread syrup to give it that delicious, freshly baked flavor. So let's go ahead and get started. Did you know that we actually have over 1,200 egg farmers in Canada, in all 10 provinces and the Northwest Territories? An ounce and a half of rum into our shaker tin. And thanks to the system of supply management, we can ensure that we have year-round access to high-quality eggs all the time. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this season, the Egg Farmers of Canada are encouraging Canadians to spend more time with loved ones in the kitchen, doing a bit of festive holiday baking. They have tons of fantastic cookie and baking recipes on their site. I'll include a couple links in today's stories. So if you're feeling like baking, you can do that and use their hashtag season to share, whether you're sharing this gingerbread sour recipe, which is of course inspired by holiday baking. And you can see my little gingerbread house in the corner over here. I sacrificed my little mini gingerbread man, which we were going to use for garnish in the photo for this particular cocktail. So we're going to have to do without a little baby gingerbread man because I ate him. So I lied when I said no gingerbread men were harmed in the making of this cocktail. One was sacrificed for the good of the cause. 3/4 ounce gingerbread syrup into our shaker tin. It smells so good, just like gingerbread cookies fresh out of the oven, because it has molasses and a whole host of other ingredients that you would typically put into your gingerbread cookies. Now for the all-important egg. We're gonna get our egg white into our shaker tin. And we don't want any yolk, so that's good. You could, of course, put the yolks to good use if you were making a custard or something. I don't have any plans for custard in my life this evening, so we are gonna stick with the egg white. And then of course we are going to dry shake. I like to just make sure that all of the edges of my shaker tin are nice and clean and dry so we get a good firm seal. Friendly reminder, yet again, only shake one cocktail at a time when you're using egg whites. Or if you're doing a flip, which is a cocktail that involves the whole egg, you want to make sure just one at a time, because the proteins in the egg white will expand in your shaker tin and it's going to make it a little bit explosive, a little bit. So you want to make sure you have a nice firm grip on it and hope for the best and only shake one at a time. These are and use a shaker that you trust. This is my trusty shaker, not my saboteur shaker, which you may recall from the ill-fated egg white explosion of 2020. All right, it's gonna kind of pop off. Yes, see? Nice and frothy in there already. We're gonna add our ice because we need to chill and dilute. And then we're going to serve in our chilled coupe glass. Always takes a little bit of patience, but as we know, as in baking, good things come to those who wait. Whether you're making cookies or fancy cake or a gingerbread sour. If anyone would like to add me to their cookie exchange, and by exchange I mean just give me cookies, I would be most appreciative. Would just love to sample your baked goods. Here we have our gingerbread sour. That was easy, right? There we go. Imagine there's a mini gingerbread man. Okay. Cheers. Oh, my goodness. That is a thing of beauty, my friends. I think you're gonna like this one. I have a feeling this one is angling for top spot in your hearts and minds. Let's Get Blitzin 2021. So don't forget, use hashtag season to share, tag me, tag the Egg Farmers of Canada in your story post when you prepare this delightful cocktail made with eggs. And also share your cookie recipes and whatever else you're baking, whether you're using eggs to add color, flavor, volume. We're using it for volume and flavor because we're getting that lovely, frothy, foamy, velvety mouthfeel from our egg white in this particular cocktail. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 8.